What up, YouTubers? What up, my Saiyans? And what up, fam? What up, my friends and fam and fans out there in the world? Just letting you know, I got a new Dragon Ball DT DVD for you guys. This is the actual Dragon Balls from Japan, which I'm excited to show you. But let's show you what comes first before I actually show you the DVD itself. So this thing is an official universal remote. You guys can't really see it good, but this is an actual universal remote. Sorry about that. Let me just turn it around. I don't know what's going on now. Sorry about that. I'm just trying to figure out how to use this tablet because I suck at tablets. There we go. Sorry about that. I'll show you. This is a universal remote it comes with. It turns out this needs batteries. This is due for 2 AAA batteries. I haven't set it up because it's Japanese, but I have a friend of mine from Cap, from my group home that works as a PC. He's coming today to help me set this up. I thought he might be able to translate it. I know it works with LG and Sony, so I'm hoping it works with Sony, but I saw something about PS2 and LG. So I'm going to show you what the instructions say. If you guys got any comments below and tell me what the instructions are, that would be amazing, would you? Because I cannot translate this. I got a friend that's going to help me translate this, set up my original free DVD, fire my TV, just to let you know. Remember, these are the items and the DVDs are not for sale, not copyright, and not bootleg. And this is an official Dragon Ball GT product. This is the side. Back. I'm gonna get to the money. So this is what I've been waiting for mostly, is the Zenny. This is actually collector's money, stereo codes. I'm gonna show you a few of them, why not? If you guys want to use these codes, you can. So, like I said, these come with 10, believe it or not. 10,000 Zenny, which you go 100,000 Zenny. That's pretty amazing. That's what it looks like. It does come with a code. You guys can't see the code, I'm not gonna read it. Yeah, see, that's what it looks like. This is collector's money, I just wanted to tell you about that. Now, if you guys want to see the actual box that came with, I thought you guys might want to see the box. And I watched one just and I was like, this has amazing quality. It does. And only sad thing about getting this DVD is that you don't get the montage video with Goku, but it does come with the Dragon Ball GT movie, Hero's Legacy. So yeah, I'm going to show you this. This is not bootleg, this is an official Japan release. Please support the official list if you guys want to see what region code is. Region 2. That means you need a region code 1 DVD player to play it on. This is a note. A note that you get with the DVD. That's the official little note that comes with it. But I grew up with GT, that's why I got it. Yes, it does come with the movies. The actual Dragon Ball GT movie special, whatever I call it, Hero's Legacy, but it's all in Japanese, knowing what's up. This is a Dragon Ball GT Dragon book. I'll show you some pages. Let me show you all of them actually, so that way y'all can think. Please don't give me a copyright claim. This is the actual book. I'm gonna show you some of the videos. I think they did a really awesome job with the book. To be honest with you. One Japanese original. They did show some stuff with the US stuff that they gave away. They do have some US DVD releases on this book, so somewhere. If you haven't seen, I'll show you what the US DVDs look like. Come with drawings and all that. Some amazing features that includes the disc and all that, what they look like. gonna do a real quick one for you guys. See how that is special. I think it's amazing quality compared to the actual US releases. Amazing music, amazing villains. Tell us about the guest appearance on here. Sorry about the shooting, but I'm trying to show you as much as I can. This is all mostly Japanese, no one said in the main English. The only thing Akira Toriyama created was the title for Dragon Ball GT. The rest was non-canon, basically. It is a non-canon series. It means Grand Tour in Japan, but in America it means something else. Grand Tour. Does come with our promo PlayStation 2 game, which I thought was amazing. I haven't watched that yet. This comes with specials, 5 different specials. It's that includes with the movie, if you're wondering. You can get the movie with it. Original Japanese format. The suckish thing about this DVD says you don't get the montage on episode 64. They deleted that off that. You swear by the volumes, to be honest. You want the montage, buy the volume sets in Japan if you're from Japan. You're from the US and Canada, buy the season bricks, green bricks, and all that if you're going to watch the volume sets in America. The volume license, which has 115 plus the last episodes, which is amazing. Character bios and all that, it's the GT story. That's about Goku's story, all the life, all the family history, and all that. Super Saiyan transformations, all that. Here's family history and all that, and the villain's history. Goku's friends and family history. Yeah. Vegeta Super Saiyan 4. The history, Goku family, history of Trunks' family. Yep. Story and all that, and I got the story about Dragon Ball GT began, the first page, and then 0 pages later, a letter from Akira Toriyama's message. He drew all himself. This was saying 4. I thought he did a really amazing job drawing it. But yeah, other than that, let's show you the DVDs now. I know you've been waiting for this, you guys. I was supposed to get this on December 3rd, January 7th, but they told me Saturday it was supposed to come and it never showed up. Tuesday it made it, so yeah. I'm going to show you one by one so that way you know what I'm talking about. These DVDs are original too. It's an official Dragon Ball release in Japan, so they never released it on DVD quality. So this is disc 1. Brand new, as you can see. I can be able to show you them outwards. I'm afraid they're going to fall out, to be honest. Just 2. Brand new. I mean, I got it for $298. I mean, that's a good deal, and it's worth about $500 a year. There's 4, and I'm not doing it in order. And then we got this 3. I like how they did the books. They do a really good job with their DVDs. There's 4. I mean, these ones should have been in the US. This is 1 through 4. Here's Watts, Dragon Watts, which one's the story? We're going to show you Watts 2. the baby arc and all that. So thinking about GT, I wish Piccolo would have survived, to be honest. And they just canceled out the Red Star Dragon Balls as well. They could wish for that. And here's this 5. This 6. Or about 6, so that says a piece. Sorry about that. I got right nose, so I've been rubbing it a little bit. No, not a nose picker. I've been rubbing my nose because it's been running a little bit today. I don't have tissues, all I have is paper towels. So, just 7 minutes. I'm going to show you one more time. No, I'm not a nose picker, if you're wondering. This 8. If you haven't seen this one too, let me show you that again. So, this one. This 5. This 1 and stuff. This 6. This 7. 6, 7. 8. And here's the box 3. Let me show you. There are 11 this full bit, says 12 this is the special feature wandering on the set. Box 3 has this 9. This 10. This 11. And that's 154. This is 12. The specials. There are 5 different specials. One's short, one's a promo. Some more music videos, but yeah. Other than that, please subscribe. Leave a comment down below and join our song. I'm out of here. Goodbye, Sans. It'll be a while until I can do my next Dragon Ball video. Probably won't be till another month or 2, so I just want to let you guys know I'll be getting some merch. I'll be doing another one by Christmas on clothing and all that. So yeah, please subscribe, leave a comment below, just join our song, and I'm out of here.